Game changer, unveiling its impact in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or in the business world: be a game changer. This phrase is not just about sports. It's about making a significant impact. Stick around as we unravel the meaning and usage of this powerful phrase in English. Be a game changer refers to a person, idea, or event that significantly alters the existing situation or activity. Think of it as introducing a new element that changes the rules of the game, leading to a completely different outcome. It's about transforming the usual way of doing things in a substantial and positive way. Initially rooted in sports, the term game changer was used to describe a player or a play that dramatically changed the outcome of a game. Over time, its usage expanded beyond sports, encapsulating any factor that can radically change an industry, a technology, a strategy, or even a way of thinking. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Innovation in technology. When smartphones were introduced, they were a game changer for communication, incorporating features of a phone, computer, and camera into one device. 2. Business strategies. A company might introduce a new product that is a game changer in the market, significantly affecting competitors and changing consumer expectations. 3. Personal decisions. Choosing to pursue further education can be a game changer for someone's career, opening up new opportunities and pathways. In conversation, hiring Jenna was a game changer for our project. Her expertise brought us to a new level. In writing, the new policy could be a game changer for the renewable energy sector. Understanding and using the phrase, be a game changer, can indeed be a game changer in your English learning journey. It's a powerful way to describe significant shifts and impactful changes. We hope this video helps you grasp its essence and use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about understanding the context and the powerful ideas behind them. Keep learning, and maybe you'll be a game changer in the world of language learning.